Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ken Gerson B. Aborido. I'm from C12S9. For today's video, I'm going to answer the three questions that you sent to our canvas. First question: how have new technologies changed our lives? For me, technology has transformed our lives significantly by making everyday tasks easier. The invention we have today have enhanced people's lives in many ways, particularly in education. Although there are some negative effects on our study as well. In terms of communication, technology has simply connection with others, even those in different countries. It has also broken down language barriers, allowing us to understand various languages more easily, thanks to technology advancement. Moreover, technology has made work manageable by introducing numerous tools that enhance our performance in the workplace. Second question: what kind of opportunities do new technologies provide? In my view, the economic growth brought about by technology is another significant opportunity. Technology has revolutionized business models and expanded global markets, contributing to the rapid economic development we see in many countries today. Number 3. What challenges do new technologies present? New technologies also come with several challenges. One major concern is about job displacement, as automation and artificial intelligence replace traditional roles. This shift requires workers to reskill or transition to new industries. Additionally, cybersecurity risks are on the rise with data breaches, identity theft, and hacking become increasingly sophisticated. The fast pace of technology advancement can also result in digital inequality, where less privileged communities struggle to access and afford the latest innovation. Privacy concerns are another pressing issue as companies and governments amass vast amounts of personal data, raising ethical questions about surveillance and consent. The spread of on misinformation and deepfakes on digital platforms makes it challenging to differentiate between truth and false. Furthermore, the environment impact of technology, including electronic waste and higher energy consumption of data centers, contributes to pollution and climate change. The rise of artificial intelligence introduces ethical dilemmas as well, such as biases in AI decision making and the potential misuse of autonomous systems. Over reliance on technology can diminish critical thinking and interpersonal skills, negatively affecting social interaction and mental health. Lastly, regulatory challenges emerge as laws struggle to keep pace with rapid technological challenges, leading to gap in governance and accountability. And that's it for today's.